In this video, we will discuss some question based on number system. So these are the question. There are 6 question. So first question, which one is greatest number? 3 to the power 50, 4 to the power 40, 5 to the power 30 and 6 to the power 20. So first step 1, we have to make the power equal. Okay. So 3 upon 15, question number 1, 3 to the power 50, it can be written as 3 to the power 5, the whole power 10. Okay. Then 4 to the power 40, it can be written as 4 to the power 4 and the whole power 10. Okay. Then 5 to the power 30, it can be written as 5 to the power 3, the whole power 10. Okay. Then 6 to the power 20 can be written as 6 to the power 2, the whole power 10. Okay. Now we have to multiply. So 3 raised to power 5. So it becomes 240 to the power 10. Then 4 to the power 4, it becomes 256 to the power 10. Then 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So it becomes 125 to the power 10 and 6 into 6, 36 to the power 10. Now you can see that powers are equal. Now you have to compare the base. So which one is greatest? Yes, 256 to the power 10 is greatest. So we can say that 4 to the power 40 is the greatest number. Okay. Now similarly you can solve second question. 3 to the power 200, then 2 to the power 300, then 7 to the power 100. Okay, so it can be written as 3 raised to the power 2, the whole power 100, then it becomes 2 to the power 3, the whole power 100, then it is okay. Now power are same, so we have to simplify this. It becomes 9 to the power 100, then 8 to the power 100, then 7 to the power 100. So compare the base, which one is greatest? So 9 to the power 100, it means that is 3 to the power 200 is the greatest number. Now move on the third question. This is 4 to the power 0.5 into 0.5 to the power 4. Find the product. Simplified. So 4 to the power 0.5, make it convert into fraction. Okay. Then 0.45 to the power 4. So first 4 to the power, it becomes 5 upon 10. Now can be written as 1 by 2. Then similarly 1 by 2 to the power 4. Okay. Now it can be written as 2 to the power 2, the whole power 1 by 2 into 1 upon 2 to the power 4. Okay. So simplify it. It will be remaining is 2, then 1 upon 2 to the power 4. So it can be written as 2 into 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now 1, 2 and 2 cancel. So it will be 1 upon 8. Now next question is find the number of prime factor. Okay. So for this question number 4, find the number of prime factors. Okay. So prime, we have to count the prime factors. 6, it is not a prime, so converted into prime. 7 is, it is a prime number. Then 8 is also converted into prime prime number. So here it can be written as 2 to the power 3, then 3 to the power, then 7 to the power this, and 2 to the power 11, 111, 2 to the power 1, then 2 to the power 11. Now you have to add these powers. So when you adding this, so it becomes 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. Now, so question number 5, it is divisible by these numbers. Okay. So first we have to simplify, then we have to find for which number it is divisible by. Okay. So it can 3 to the power 11 plus 3 to the power 12 plus 3 to the power 13 plus 3 to the power 14. Now 3 to the power is 11 is common, so here remaining is 1, then here 3, then 3 to the power 2, then 3 to the power 3. Now we have to simplify, so 3 to the power 11 into, it will be 1 plus 3, 4, then 3 is 9, then here 27. Okay, then 9 plus 4, 13, then it will become, it will be 40. Okay, so 40 is divisible by what? 7? No. 8? Yes. So option B is correct. It is divisible by 8. Move on the last question, that is question number 6. 10 to the power 100 divided by 5 to the power 5 to the power 75. Find the quotient. Okay. So it can be written as 2 to the power 100, then 5 to the power 100 divided by 5 to the power 75. Now again it can be reduced, or you can change 2 to the power 100 into 5 to the power 100 minus 75. So answer is 2 to the power 100 into 5 to the power 25. Okay. Now given option is 2 to the power 75 into 10 to the power 75. Okay, then here 10 to the power 25, then 2 to the power 75, then 2 to the power 75 into 10 to the power 25. Now it means we have to break this. Now it can be written as 2 to the power 75 into 2 to the power 25, and it is already given 5 to the power 25. Now we know that when powers are same, so we have to multiply the base. So it will be 2 to the power 75 into 10 to the power 25. Okay. So option D is correct.